Now you see in the recent days, we see a lot of data theft and identity protection issues.
Yeah.
So can you give some insights on how to take care of that part? Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, I think as you rightly mentioned, off late we're seeing a lot of data compromises, and people's socials are getting compromised, and there have been a lot of fraudulent returns being filed. So IRS brought in a good measure to plug this gap. So what they brought in is called Identity Protection PIN, IP PIN, where everybody can create a free IRS account in the IRS portal, irs.gov,
Okay.
and then they have an option to opt in for the IP PIN. So once you opt in for IP PIN, there is a unique PIN which generates every year, which someone needs to enter that PIN to file the tax return with IRS. So with this, there's a lot of fraud which you can avoid. So nobody can file a tax return with just your social or date of birth.
So whenever anybody tries, you need to give that PIN, right?
Yes.
So
it's a unique PIN generated every year, and it's in your account.
Okay.
And what we are seeing recently is there's a lot of people who are using outside services which are outside US, where what happens is all the security and control measures, what is required, they're not subject to or bound to follow those. But if there's someone who's doing it within US, you're subject to all those regulations. So you have to be careful if you are trying to file your tax return outside US, because that's where there are high chances for your data to be compromised.